So what you can also do is import in your own videos and use them as video backgrounds right over here. So to do that, what you have to make sure first is that your video is in MP4 format, because other formats are not supported very well in websites. So I'm just going to go around over here into edit right over here and import the video that I had. So for example, I'm just going to go on to edit and replace right over here. And then in the video, I'm just going to click on replace right over here. So now in order to upload your own video, you simply click on upload media right over here. So you can import out media from any one of these services right over here. For example, you can import from Google Drive and so forth after connecting it. But for this example, I'm just going to upload it from my computer itself. So I'm just going to download, upload the video that I have in my document right over here. So this is the TutorTube multimedia lessons at your convenience. So this is the video that I want to upload. So I'm just going to open that out, and what happens is that you can see that the video is being uploaded for use right over here, just like that. So it does take a bit of time to upload depending on your connection speed. And then once it is uploaded, you'll be able to see it here in site files, as you can see right over here. So I'm just going to select this out. This is the file that I uploaded. So I'm just going to click on that and click on apply right over here. And what happens is that the video is there for you. So I'm just going to preview this out, and you'll be able to see the video in action just like that. And this is how the site looks like. It's very, very dynamic, as you can see right over here, just like that. So I'm just going to go back over here in edit site and then work around with this. So you can go around here and then work around with the background, the titles and everything else right over here. So if you want to, let's say for example, just remove this out, remove the title and the subtitle for just the video to be there, you can do that exactly right over here. So let's just preview this and see how it actually looks like. So it looks like this. So there's the video right over there, which is playing out, as you can see right over there. And that's how you can use videos as backgrounds inside of Wix ADI. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.